Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system. This prevents shorts and preserves components. Once unplugged, discharge residual energy by holding the case power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure you wear an anti-static wrist strap or at least ground yourself on metal to avoid ESD damage. Open the side panel, remove PCIe slot covers where the GPU will go, and orient the card toward the primary X16 slot. Keep screws and the GPU support bracket handy for installation. You now align the graphics card with the motherboard X16 slot and the rear I/O shield. The golden fingers face the slot and the display ports face out the back. Press straight down evenly on the GPU until you hear or feel the PCIe clip latch. Do not rock the card, which can damage pins. Once seated, secure the bracket screws to the case and attach any additional retention bracket or support to prevent sag. Make sure connectors and nearby cables are unobstructed before powering on. You should connect all required 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables from the PSU to the GPU. A loose connector causes no post. Once connected, plug in and power up. Enter BIOS if the system doesn't detect the card to verify PCIe setting and primary display. Install the latest GPU drivers from the vendor and reboot. Run a quick display test or benchmark to confirm stability. If you see no output, reseat power cables and the card, test another PCIe slot, and check PSU wattage as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.